Hi, what's up, Vechain holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very important because my brother, in last 24 hours the Vechain price will increase. You can see here, my friends, in last 24 hours plus 2.8185%, but in last 1 hour, my friend, you can see here they will also get a profit 0.36%. My friend, the price is increased. So that's clear, my friend. You can see here to the price were pumps up, but for some time, not for every time. Kindly holder, if you also want to get a profit now, please come here and join us. Now I hope, my friends, they will give you something very good news. So everybody knows, my friends, to win price per fails down. So does not mean, my friends, to you will be completely go in the garbage. Please remember to, if they were fails down, so you will need, my friends, to hold. I hope the price will be moving upward again. So hope you will better understand. Please like video and also subscribe this channel, and please press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.